What's going on, guys? John here, and I'm in the service business. So we service big buildings kind of like this one you see behind me. We just stayed here at this hotel right here, and man, service business has been good to me. And we just probably are gonna lock up this service contract right here. We're staying out here in Universal Horror Nights, okay? Universal Studios out in Universal Horror Nights, and it's pretty awesome. It's pretty incredible. We had a good time. This is actually my buddy here. Hey, what's up, man? This is actually the boss man for the valet here. Hey, this guy's awesome. He always takes care of us. How you doing, man?
Thank you, Mr. Erickson. He's a great guest.
Yes, yes. Always here for the Universal Horror Nights, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, sir. So real quick, if you enjoyed that clip and you've thought to yourself any time in the past that you're so tired of working with small jobs and small profits, and you're thinking to yourself like, there's gotta be something different. Things have gotta change. You gotta be able to get bigger profits. And you wanna start hiring a team, but you just don't know how, because at the end of the day, there's just not enough profits left over after you do your $100, $200 project to be able to pay an employee. And then you're thinking to yourself, how am I supposed to schedule enough jobs to do 30 projects a day? I get it, man. I completely understand. I was in your shoes 2 years ago. I want to change your life because I've changed mine. Click the link below. I'm going to show you exactly how I get into large commercial contracts. I'll see you on the inside.